Hi there, I'm Thosha Mudley. I'm the founder of RoboRabbit-Labs. RoboRabbit is a company founded on the principle of loving technology and technology loving us back. We are the creators of technology, and the more we participate and put our hearts into it, the more technology will support us and empower us. That's my idea, my heartfelt wish. And that's what I'd like to share with everybody who is open and who is searching for something. Please feel very welcome, and thank you so much for buying this kit. I put a huge amount of love and care into designing it and to assembling all the components and basically every aspect. So I very much hope that you're extremely pleased and that you receive a lot of joy and transformation, and you have a lot of fun with this kit. And I hope to see you again. So take care, good luck, please keep in touch, and let's get started with creating. So first I'm going to show what we're going to be making. We're making this Christmas tree wall hanging. It makes a lovely jingling noise. The lights go on with different effects. It's basically constructed in layers. The bottom layer is the backing, then we have a dark green layer where we stitch that on as a backing for the circuit, and then we put on the circuit components, which you can maybe vaguely see the outline of here, and we cover it up with all the decorations. And this is the back. Now let's talk about the contents of the kit so that we understand each other about terminology during the videos. These are multicolor felt swatches for creating decorations. So something like these little presents, or if you want to do balls or more stars or whatever you like, maybe you want to cover up this area. This is the brown felt tree trunk, the star of the tree. This is the red backing. This is the dark green outer Christmas tree and the light green inner Christmas tree. Then we have a bag with lots of smaller goodies. Here you have the conductive thread. There are 6 times ½ meter, 2 office pins to help you keep things in place when you're sewing, a large needle, LED sequins, 5 of them in white, a bag of decorations, so mixed colors of disco beads and bells, festive string, embroidery cotton in 4 colors, the coin cell battery holder, and the Lily Tiny controller.